Hello friends and founders in Onpassive. We as founders are the recipients of the largest gift to humankind, a company called Onpassive. Onpassive has been created for the benefit of all its founders, their loved ones and friends. Onpassive hasn't caused any harm or discomfort. Onpassive happened because it is the right time for it to happen. The creation of Onpassive comes at a time when it is needed the most. The world needs Onpassive's massive outpouring of love and giving that Onpassive is built on. It's something to make this life better for all. Onpassive has given its founders license to help lift up humanity and to help all who need it. Never in the history of business has there ever been a company designed like Onpassive. Onpassive is totally revolutionary in breaking down every known limitation. It is without equal. The world is entering the dawn of Onpassive, and users of the internet had no choice until the arrival of this company. Onpassive is that phenomenon that companies are trying to prevent from happening, but they are fighting a losing battle. The time is right for this technological and innovative giant called Onpassive to shine brightly for all to see. The companies doing business on the internet have met their match. Onpassive is the quiet storm that has been building and not taken seriously, but has now sneaked up on unsuspecting companies while they were not paying attention. We are about to enter uncharted territory. Onpassive is guiding us to a place that we have never seen or been to before, but have felt in their hearts and have not given it much thought until recently. This place is called bliss. Bliss is a state of complete happiness and joy. This is where Onpassive is taking all of its founders. Soon, we will arrive at our destination. When we get there, we will be able to pass what we have on to others, giving them the happiness and joy that we feel. There is no greater feeling than to show our love to others, in the way we were shown love by Mr. Ashmufara and his family, when he shared this beautiful company called Onpassive. Founders, aren't we glad that we listened and trusted the vision of Mr. Mufara? Mr. Mufara and his family are beautiful expressions of love any human could give another human being. Onpassive will transform the lives of so many people, ignored and marginalized by societies, businesses, governments, and sadly, families. Onpassive has ignited a fire in the hearts of over 1,300,000 founders with the express purpose of just helping those who need help. When Onpassive opens up, the whole world will know just how great a company Onpassive truly is. But we as founders already know this.